Hello everyone and welcome to Vlinkoz channel. In today's video I will guide you through the process of setting up and using an external microphone with your laptop or computer. And now, let's get started. The first crucial step is to physically connect your external microphone to your computer. For wired microphones, this usually involves plugging a cable directly into a microphone port on your device. If you are using a Bluetooth microphone, ensure it is paired and connected through your computer's Bluetooth settings. Once your microphone is successfully connected, we need to configure some system settings to ensure your computer recognizes and utilizes it correctly. Begin by locating the volume icon on the bottom right corner of your taskbar. Right-click on this icon, and then select Sound Settings. Within the Sound Settings window, you will first see an Output section. This determines where your computer's audio will play from. Choose your preferred output device, such as your built-in speakers or headphones. Next, scroll down to the Input section. This is where you will select your microphone. By default, your computer will likely be set to use its internal microphone. You need to change this to your newly connected external microphone. If your microphone does not appear in the drop-down list, you can try clicking Add Device to attempt a manual connection. It is also important to adjust the microphone's volume level. A good starting point is to set your microphone volume to approximately 90% for optimal performance. After these initial adjustments, scroll further down and click on More Sound Settings. This will open a new window. Navigate to the Recording tab. You should see a list of available recording devices. Locate your external microphone in this list. Select your external microphone and then click on the Set Default button. This action ensures that your computer will always use this microphone as the primary input device when it is connected. You can confirm that your microphone is set as the default by observing a green tick next to its name and the labeled default device. As a final step, right-click on your external microphone and select Properties. In the Properties window, go to the Advanced tab. Here you may find an option labeled Enable Audio Enhancements. It is often beneficial to uncheck this option, as audio enhancements can sometimes interfere with the raw sound quality of your microphone. Once you have made this change, click Apply and then OK. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.